Hello and welcome everyone. In today's tutorial we're going to learn how to play multiplayer Minecraft Java Edition with your friends. There are easy, hard, free, cheap and expensive ways to accomplish this. But no worries, we're going to cover it all. This guide is specifically for those playing Java Edition on a Windows PC, iOS or a Linux device. So please go check out our Bedrock Edition video if you're playing in mobile or a console. One more thing before we get started, this video is divided into sections. Feel free to jump into the part you are interested in. At the end, I will try to answer most asked questions. If you have any of your own, please do let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you right away. I work as a server infrastructure engineer at Game Team and we hosted well above 50,000 game servers to date. So you can trust I know what I'm talking about. So without further ado, let's get started. First on our list is the LAN method. This is the free and easiest method out there for those looking to play Minecraft with family or close friends. Now please don't get me wrong, we would be glad to sell you servers, but the truth is, most Minecraft players don't need it, and you can still play it multiplayer without purchasing a server from us or someone else. If your friend could take their laptop and come over to your house or vice versa, playing Minecraft on LAN, also known as local area network, is the cheapest and best option. It literally is free. So here is how you play multiplayer over network. First step is make sure both you and your friends are on the same network, connected to the same internet connection. Also double check everyone has the same Minecraft Java version installed. Otherwise they won't be able to join you. Next up, let's fire up our Minecraft launcher. Select version and start a new single player game. Don't accidentally start a multiplayer game, because this option is for connecting to remote servers only. Just start a new single player game and when your game loads, click on escape button and return to game menu. There will be a button in the menu called Open to LAN. Click on that and this is where we will set up our game. You can play survival, creative, adventure and spectator. Turn on game cheats on and off, pick your settings and start local network world. Now if you have that screen on your PC, your friends can launch their Minecrafts as well. But this time, instead of going to single player, they should select multiplayer. If everything went right so far, they will see the local multiplayer game you started on their screen. Of course, there are pros and cons to every method we are mentioning, so let's talk about those. Now first of all, with this method you are only limited to playing with people connected to your internet. If you have friends far away, they won't be able to join you with this method. Another issue is that you must have a relatively high-end computer with a solid hardware, because your computer will not only be running Minecraft for you, it also needs to allocate resources for other players in the network as well. Not to mention additional mods and mod packs you will install, so it gets pretty taxing on your computer really quick. The biggest benefit of playing over network is, of course, it is completely free. You can set up a multiplayer game under a minute without having a prior server management knowledge. The second and honestly the most hassle-free way to play Minecraft multiplayer is to have professionals manage your server for you. This is where a service like Game Team comes in. For as little as $3 a month, you can have all your friends join your Minecraft server. Unlike literally any other service out there, we don't have limited slots, meaning that as many people as possible can join and play on your server. Of course, keep in mind that the more people join, more RAM you're going to need. One-click modpack and version installer comes with all of our plans. Let's say you get bored playing vanilla and you want to explore tens of thousands of mods Forge offers. You could switch versions with just a click without losing any of your data or worlds. And when it comes to mods, they are also supported by our one-click installer. Simply select the mod you wish to install and it's ready to play. Now of course there's a cost associated with this, since owning servers with premium hardware isn't cheap. But for the price, Hundreds of people can play on the server without latency and lag issues. And of course you will have 100% uptime with daily backups to prevent any data loss. So yeah, that's the price you pay for not having to deal with server management, DDoS attacks, software and mod compatibility issues. Another positive thing about this is, if you have a really popular server, you can charge people to enter. One of the biggest Minecraft servers, for example, 2B2T, makes hundreds of thousands of dollars every month by charging people monthly access fees. Even if you don't plan on growing your server that big, you could add donation plugins and friends on your server will help you out with the cost. So yeah, this is the affordable and easiest way to play Minecraft with your friends. Now let's get to the hardest way to accomplish this. I would recommend this option for tech-savvies with a high-end computer, since it involves better understanding of server management, port forwarding, and actually poses severe security threats, since other people are going to be connecting to your network IP. It's never a good idea to advertise that server publicly. Only share it with people you trust. However, it's not much to be scared of, because I'll be showing you everything step by step. Even if, as a company, it's not in our best interest to tell you that you could host Minecraft on your very own computer and have your friends join you. But hey, if it's going to work for you, you should do it. First, fire up your browser and go to minecraft.net/download. The file we need is located at the bottom of the page. It's called Java Edition Server under Server Software. Download that server file and place it in a folder you created for your Minecraft server. Call it Minecraft server so you don't lose it. Next up, we create a text file called start. This file is essentially how we run the server. Go back to Minecraft download page, and there you'll see a one-line code. Copy and paste it into your text file. Now the code could be slightly different depending on the current Minecraft version. Anyway, it's fine. It'll not affect the way we create the server. So what does this code mean? As you can tell, our one-line code is divided into some random looking strings, divided by a space. However, what this code is basically saying is, use the Java language, start the server with specified amount of RAM, define the minimum amount of RAM, which is 1 gig, and the rest of the code defines where our Minecraft jar file is stored. We can now save it as a bat file if you're done editing. You can simply double click on the text extension and change it to .bat. Next up, simply run your start bat file. It'll start a command prompt and will be installing necessary Minecraft files to our folder. However, in order to continue, we'll need to accept Minecraft Terms of Service. Simply go to your Minecraft server folder and locate eula.txt. It just means End User License Agreement. Open it, and at the end of the file you will see eula false. If you agree to Minecraft's terms, change false to true and save it. Run your start file once again and installation will continue as normal. If you see a response saying done, it means your server is up and running. You could type stop and press enter to stop the server. If you take a look at your server folder, you will see about 14 or maybe more files and folders installed by Minecraft. Server.properties is the file we'll need to manage our server and change its settings. Open it with your favorite text editor and you will see all your Minecraft settings that you can change however you like. There is PvP, difficulty level, OP permissions, whitelists, and many others. For example, if you would like to enable flights in-game, change allow flight false to true. Now let's talk about why you should host Minecraft on your PC, and then why you shouldn't. Well, obviously you don't pay for a server, since you are using your own computer's resources. But that's pretty much it. For saving a couple bucks a month, you need to handle the tech behind running a server yourself. Not to mention the fact that you'll be able to use your computer as a heater when you install a bunch of mods and invite just a few people to play. Remember, your computer will be handling the load of all the people and mods on the server. it uses up all the resources pretty quick, and then obviously the server will be up only when you have your computer open, so you shouldn't expect 24-hour availability unless you are willing to keep your device open 24 hours a day. Your computer isn't designed for that, but our servers are made just for that purpose. I would say for most people, its costs outweigh the benefits, but in the end, it's up to you. Now let's get to the Q&A. These are some of the most asked questions we get from folks running their servers on Game Team. If you have questions of your own, even if you're not hosting with us, feel free to ask. I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. To join a LAN Minecraft server someone has already created, simply go to multiplayer and wait for your network to detect any available server. You don't need to enter IP address, your system will automatically find it. Realms offer a way for you and your friends to play Minecraft multiplayer. However, it comes with a subscription fee. Alternatives to Minecraft Realms include playing multiplayer over LAN, hosting your Minecraft server with Game Team, and turning your computer into a Minecraft Java server. The same way you play vanilla Minecraft online, but you install mods. Methods change depending on how you play it. If you are hosting your server on Game Team, we have one-click installers for over 100,000 mods. If you're playing over network or hosting locally, you will need to install your mods manually. Please check our Minecraft mod installation tutorial for more information. Minecraft PE, also known as Pocket Edition or Bedrock, is a bit different than Java version. You need to follow a separate tutorial for that. We suggest playing Realms, network or hosting Bedrock server with us, starting from just $3 per month. Since it is the cross-platform mobile version of Minecraft, it requires much less RAM and CPU than Java. If playing over network isn't an option, you could either host the server on your own computer, or, as what most gamers prefer, you could host your server with a professional company that specializes in gaming hosting. Minecraft requires you to sign in to play multiplayer, whether you are playing over network, Realms or hosted. You won't be able to play multiplayer with cracked versions or without signing in. We strongly advise you to purchase Minecraft for your security, since you don't know what you're installing on your computer. There are many ways to whitelist players depending on how you set up your server. Network worlds don't need whitelisting, as anyone connected to the Wi-Fi can join your server. If you are hosting your server with Game Team, we have a management tool for this that allows you to decide who can join the server. Additionally, you could always go to your command center and type whitelist add username to allow players to join. Everyone needs Minecraft Bedrock Edition if all your friends are playing on different devices. Unfortunately, Java is for PC, Mac, Linux only. If you are on mobile and your friends are on a console, you will need Bedrock. Since it is cross-compatible, you can also play Bedrock on PC.